Hello everybody, this is Glenn at Sauna Times and I'm here today with
Hannu Saintula from Finland with my ice hockey team.
So they're here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, the 18-year-old Finnish hockey team, and I'm just so overjoyed today to be brought these wonderful gifts from Finland because you guys know about Sauna Times over in Finland.
Yeah,
is that right?
We have many saunas in Finland. We have about 2.5 million saunas in Finland, and everybody loves the sauna in Finland.
And do people in Finland know about saunatimes.com, the website?
I think many they have read those pages, and those who really want to learn something about sauna, they have to go there.
Yes. And what do you have in your hand?
Oh, this is very special. This is bro. Only the bros could have this kind of water. I don't know the name.
Yeah. Well, it's to throw water on the sauna rocks.
Yes.
And,
yes.
I'm very honored from a representative of the Finnish Sauna Society has come to Minnesota bearing these wonderful gifts. Sauna Times is all about authentic sauna, and it's wonderful for me to know that from the home country there are people that recognize the work that I'm trying to do to spread culture of authentic Finnish sauna. Any last words from?
This is very important that I could meet you over here, and also very important that you do this kind of work over here. This is really, you are really international and important guy for the sauna people.